Thanks to you, myself Karthikeyan. So here we have our team members. Something they are going to demonstrate an activity. So the all apparatus are arranged here, and we are eagerly waiting. So what activity we are going to do? What is the procedure, aim, and principle, and the process, etc. We shall watch in this video. So our team members will lead this activity. Please.
So myself, I'm Bhavna. So finally now I'm taking a aim called osmosis to prove the osmosis, that endosmosis and exosmosis. And the apparatus we need is potato, the cutted potato, the cylindrical cutted potato, and two raw potatoes, and a petri dish, and a steel saucer, and a color packet to know the solution, which the difference between the water and the solution, and a small pin, or you can use a ball pen to point out the water at which measure you have poured in a pit, and sugar solution, and some water.
So here, these are the apparatus. So this activity is regarding osmosis. So we knew well already what is meant by osmosis. Movement of the water molecules from higher levels to lower levels through the permeable membrane or plasma membrane is called osmosis. Or else one more definition, movement of water molecules from lower concentration levels to higher concentration levels is also known as osmosis. But here osmosis must require mediator or medium, that is called plasma membrane or semi-permeable membrane or living membrane, or simply it is called cell membrane. So let's see the procedure, how it will be involved in this activity.
So now we have to do a procedure of osmosis. So firstly we have to cut the potato in this shape, cube shape, and we have to make a pit like this. See, these two raw potatoes has been cut into cube shape and made a pit like this, and we have to place one raw potato in the steel saucer, and one more we have to place it in a petri dish.
So here raw potatoes we must be taken. Why? Because if we take the boiled potato, the plasma membrane will be dysfunctioned. So once if we boil or disturb or make it dry, any substance or cell or the fruit or vegetable, the plasma membrane will be collapsed. Then osmosis or else permeability, etc. never will be taken place. So here a medium sized potato, it should be cut into cube shape. So in this cube again one small pit we have to create. So such type of cubes two we have to be taken, and one cube is placed in a steel saucer and one more it will be placed in the one more bowl. So instead of petri dish we have taken these bowls. So now what we have to do? We shall go through.
So before placing the potato in the steel saucer, we have to place some water in it, normal water.
Normal water, in the sense lower concentrated solution, that is normal water.
Normal water we have to place it, but we
Still more. Still more. So normal water we have taken. Yes.
but to measure the difference and to know the difference between the sugar solution and normal water, just we are adding a pinch of color.
Food color we are adding, because after osmosis we have to recognize the process, because food color is added to the lower concentrated solution. Yes. So now the cube is
Now
placed.
Cube is placed in it, and we have to add some sugar solution. We have made it before, which is higher concentrated, and we have to place it only half filled of the pit. Some of the pit.
Enough. So half of the cube pit is filled with sugar solution. This is a higher concentrated solution.
We can mark to know the measure for.
So inside the pit we have to mark the level of the water with the help of ball pen.
Ball pen, or we can mark with the pen.
Pen also we could be used.
Just leave it for 1 or 2 hours. We can, before the 1 or 2 hours, if the semi-permeable membrane is thin, we can get the result within 30 minutes. But our semi-permeable member is somewhat fat, so we are keeping it for 1 or 2 hours. Even the same procedure has been followed in this, but the solution should be reversed. The normal water or the color water should be poured in it, and the higher concentrated sugar solution should be poured in a petri dish. And we have to leave it for 1 or 2 hours. Then we can know the difference between osmosis and exosmosis and endosmosis.
So here in this saucer, lower concentrated solution has been taken. We knew in lower concentrated solution water molecule percentage is higher. In the pit of that potato, higher concentrated solution is taken, that is the sugar solution. So if we leave this setup half an hour or up to 1 hour, endoosmosis process occurs. So the water molecules from lower concentrated solution to they have been entered into sugar solution. So lower to higher water molecules are entering. This is known as endoosmosis. So exactly the reverse solution should be taken into one more bowl. There we can observe exoosmosis. So from the pit water molecules will be moved out into the lower concentrated solution. So here finally osmosis activity or the process can be seen in this procedure. Small activity by our team. So we are from Vasvi Junior College, Girls Campus. Signing off, this is Karthikeyan and my team. Yourself.
Bhavana.
Myself, Bhavna.
Thank you.